What if men gave birth?
Okay, Section 1. If men experienced childbirth, reversing the biology of birth.
I want you to really think about this for a second. What if men gave birth? Just imagine waking up tomorrow to discover that nature has completely reversed one of the most fundamental roles in human history. Picture a world where men are the ones getting pregnant, dealing with morning sickness, feeling that wild first kick of the baby, and ultimately going through the intense, visceral pain of labor. How would that shift the human experience? Well, to wrap our heads around the magnitude of this, we've got to look at the hard biological science first.
So, looking at the biology, millions of years of evolution have equipped the female body with a uterus, ovaries, a placenta-forming system, and all these highly specific pregnancy-supporting hormones. Male biology, as it stands, completely lacks these evolutionary organs and hormones. So let's ground this in reality for a moment. Without evolving an entirely different nervous system, brand new hormones, and a totally restructured pelvis, the male body as we know it today simply cannot naturally give birth. But what if evolution actually did take a different path? What happens to the mind?
That brings us to Section 2, the psychology of role reversal, how the brain adapts.
Because the effects of pregnancy don't just stop at physical organs, right? They completely rewire the human brain. And get this, we actually already have a real-world glimpse into this psychological shift. It's called Kovati syndrome. This is a highly documented phenomenon where partners, specifically fathers, actually develop pregnancy-like symptoms while their partner is expecting. We are talking nausea, weight gain, bizarre food cravings, severe fatigue, and even sympathetic back pain. It's absolutely wild. It proves just how incredibly powerful the human brain already is, showing us that fathers can experience this profound physical and emotional connection to a child before the baby's even born.
Now, imagine if we scaled that up. If men actually shared the biological burden and faced the intense, clinical-level pain of childbirth, the societal shifts would be staggering. You'd likely see employers placing massively greater importance on parental leave. We'd definitely see a huge spike in funding for pregnancy medical research, along with way heavier government investment in healthcare. But most importantly, traditional gender roles would shift dramatically. Couples would share this deep, mutual understanding of reproductive challenges, which would probably lead to a massive increase in empathy across all of society.